I started out with C-STEM as a high school student at Booker T. Washington, working at Hogg Middle School as a mentor to the kids there with the robotics program. And through C-STEM, I really gained more confidence in the engineering curriculum, and I actually went on to the University of Oklahoma to major in industrial engineering, and I achieved my degree in that as well. Today, I work for an oil and gas company, and I'm a current donor for C-STEM as well as the company that I work for today. And I just enjoy reconnecting with Reagan through Young Professionals, and then also volunteering with the current program with their culminating event at the end of the year by helping out as a volunteer with the robotics and also all the other competitions that they have. C-STEM really helped me to know that you can't only just know the STEM part of it, the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, but you also need to be able to communicate those practices, and you also need to be creative with it. So it allowed me to really expand my horizons and start to use both sides of my brain to be a more real-rounded engineer in this economy.